Hi everyone, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, we're going to talk about Lion from the house of Rehan. Now the presentation is crazy on this one and I'm going to talk about everything that my experience is with this perfume. So let's begin. Before I do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Starting off with the packaging, this is how the presentation is. The box is gorgeous. It's black color with yellow and golden details, lion embossed on it like a king of the jungle, looking so royal and yet so wild. Then overall, this is how the box is with Rehan written right here. Once you open the box, the bottle is sitting inside. Now this is how detailed and gorgeous this bottle is. Just look at the matte black with the embossed lion shining in gold. Absolutely stunning this one is. Then Rehan written right here, which is also embossed, and then you have these kind of like jungle theme embossed here, again Rehan on the sides. And overall the bottle looks amazing, super duper. Cap, Rehan written right here. This is a magnetic cap with a magnetic closure. Overall, such a vibe. Now let's test the atomizer. It diffuses the product so well. Now this scent profile is a very fresh, spicy, aromatic, fruity, yet has a vanillic kick to it. Aromatic notes is the starting of this fragrance because it has lavender and mint, which kind of develops beautifully with some bergamot and pear. So it's a fruity, zesty, aromatic, fresh kind of an opening, which I absolutely adore. Okay, then it goes into some spicy nuances of cinnamon, again adding that clary sage with that herbal earthy touch, notes of vanilla, amber, patchouli and so on. These are the prominent notes that I get to my nose, and it makes a perfect fresh, aromatic, spicy, sweet, fruity kind of a fragrance. This one is inspired by Ultra Male from JPG, and this fragrance is done better than the original. More fruitiness, it has more projection, it is more louder, it's more masculine. Absolutely love this fragrance. As the name suggests, it's lion. It definitely kind of gives me a reminder of going on a jungle safari or watch tigers and lions, something like that, because it just has that earthy, herbal, natural, foresty nuance to it. Kind of is very balanced and sort of is a very realistic fragrance as well. Is certainly true to this perfume because it roars. This perfume is loud. It roars, it fills the room. The sillage is amazing on this one. The projection is amazing. It leaves a very strong perfume trail of that freshness and fruitiness. This is a compliment magnet. Every single time that I wore this one, be it for a casual occasion where I'm meeting my friends or going to office, I have received compliments. I don't think this specifically goes with Indian festivities because it's kind of like a fresh aromatic fragrance. This is something that is best suited for office wear, for daytime wear, for casual outings and stuff like that. This will do really well in summer afternoons. But of course, this is kind of the scent profile that does really well all year around. I get a longevity of 10 plus hours. A freshy aromatic giving a performance of this level. Kudos to Rehan for doing this so well. This is my first perfume from Rehan and I am impressed. I was thinking that, Arabiat Prestige is probably competing better than Latafa and doing slightly well. Even maybe Al Absar is there, but after experiencing this particular one from Rehan, I think I am ready to explore and try more of the Rehan perfumes. So I overall am certainly vibing with this particular scent and absolutely reminds me of going closer to nature. Love this fragrance. I think it's a good save blind buy as well because this is not something which is kind of like offensive in any way. Overall, love the scent profile and love how it performs, and for the price I think everything that it performs and the presentation is truly justified. Now definitely, since it's lion, you will feel that this may be very masculine, but you know what, I'm using it regularly and getting tons of compliments on this one without layering it with any vanillic or any other fragrance. I think this is a good unisex fragrance. My overall rating, need I say more, but my overall rating is a whooping 20 out of 10 on this one. absolutely am enjoying this. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this review of Rehan Lion. If you're interested in some specific fragrances from Rehan, or you have some recommendations for me to test and try and bring them to my channel, please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have some experience with this fragrance, do you relate to what I mentioned, or you have some other experience that you would like to share, please let me know in the comment section. Let's make that area chatty. Thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, please make sure that you subscribe and support my channel. Hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is myperfumediaries_. Come and say hi there, and let's get to know each other. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.